Hey guys, today I am just looking over my garden, my flowers, deadheading everything. Everything is still pretty hot and humid. I garden in zone 8A. And these are all my roses. They're finally starting to perk up after all the Japanese beetles, all the insects, the humidity, the rain, everything that could possibly go wrong went wrong with all of my roses. Even though I've treated them, black spots, everything of the sort. They're finally starting to recover. You can see they're pushing new growth, new buds. They're still looking pretty sad, but overall they're starting to push out. So I'm actually super excited. Look at my Miranda Lambert. Isn't she beautiful? So I'm just looking, and I'm looking at my standard rose that I'm training, and the other one looked like it's doing fine. This one, however, after close inspection, look at what I found. Let me see if I can get closer. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off the stand so I can get closer, I think. Give me 1 second. Look at all those burgers eating at my leaves. Can you see them? There's some kind of caterpillar worm tint. Can you guys see them? They look really disgusting. I really want to throw up. I hate creepy crawlies. And somehow this rose tree is infested with them. I'm gonna go to a different spot on the other side so you guys can see. I don't know what it is about this one that has them everywhere. Look, there's more here, and then more over there, and that cluster right there. Let me try to zoom in. Oh, see, and I'm afraid they're gonna fall on me. Look at that. I don't know where they came from, but all of a sudden here they are. So I know there's sprays, and I should probably use the spray, but right now most convenient I have is 7. Ready to use the dust form. Kills over 65 insects. So it has a picture of a rose, but also plants and vegetable. It says you can use it on vegetable, fruits, ornamentals, and lawn. Basically, it lists over 65 insects. I'm not going to go over it, but I'm going to try it on here. I do believe all you have to do is sprinkle it over the leaves, and when they eat the leaves, they ingest it and then they die. Kind of a cruel way, I know, but they won't leave my roses alone. And I honestly don't know where they came from. Like, they were fine, and then all of a sudden they're infested with them. And this is the only rose bush that I see that has them. And of course, all the black spots you see is poop, but it does have black spots, fungus as well. The only problem I've got is they're higher than my height. So I'm not sure how I can reach all the way up there and get them. See, look at those critters. Aren't they disgusting? So this is ready to use. So basically you just sprinkle it. And I'm doing it in the evening time when all the pollinators, I don't think these will harm the pollinators because the pollinators don't really ingest this. But I'm doing it, for those of you who are worried, doing it after all the pollinators have gone to bed. Just sprinkling it on like rain, actually like snow. Ugh. I can't reach all the way up there. Well, I'm trying not to breathe it in. Looks like snow. So you try to cover it as best you can. Look. Looks like it snowed on them. Actually, it looks like that sugar powder that you put on your funnel cake. Look, they're on the move. Can you guys see them? But basically, they do what everything else does, strip your plants of all the leaves, and then they can't do their photosynthesis, and then eventually your plants kind of die off. So I hope that they're eating it. And as they eat it, they die. So, I guess, I don't know. I might just spray a little bit on the rest of them, just to prevent them from migrating over here. Definitely a sight for all the flowers. But I'm just spraying it on the roses. It seems like the roses and the hardy hibiscus. Hopefully it works on here too. Oh, look you guys. It looks like it's snowing in Georgia. Look how pretty that looks though. Look at that. It's snowing in Georgia. I'm going to spray a little bit on everything. I bought this on Amazon. It came in a 3-pack, I believe. And actually, when I first started in the springtime, you know, no insects are out and about, really. Make sure I get it on that leaf so when they eat it all. Sorry, I lost my train of thought while I was doing this. So basically, I treated it with neem oil to begin with. And while neem oil worked it's more preventative, once you get an infestation like that, I don't think even neem oil is gonna fix the issue. But this is quick, easy, simple way to help ward off those bugs. Just gonna kind of spray it on everything that I have that's roses. And I think I ran out of storage, so this video might cut off short on me. So if it does, thank you for watching, you guys.